The extraordinary magic of ordinary Princess Sophia. Once upon a time, in the land of Lumina, where magic was as common as the tickles of a friendly fairy, there lived a very special royal family. This family was blessed with extraordinary gifts, like the ability to make rainbows appear with just a wave of their hands, or to make giggles bubble up from the ground. But among this magical family, there was one princess who seemed, well, a little different. Princess Sophia was born on a night when shooting stars lit up the sky, but she didn't show any signs of magic like her sisters did. While her sisters could make flowers bloom and animals dance, Sophia couldn't even make a single spark. The kingdom wondered what kind of magic she had, or if she had any at all. But Sophia didn't let this bother her. She embraced her uniqueness and found joy in things that didn't require magic. She loved taking care of the royal gardens, where she grew the most colorful and delicious strawberries. She could talk to animals and had a special way of making them feel safe and loved. And her favorite place to be was the kingdom's library, where she would get lost in books filled with exciting adventures and clever characters. One sunny day, a wicked sorcerer came to Lumina and threatened to cast a powerful curse on the kingdom. Everyone was scared, even the bravest knights and the wisest wizards. The royal family tried their best to use their magic to stop the sorcerer, but nothing seemed to work. Feeling desperate, the king called upon his daughters for help. They used their magic to create strong winds and walls of fire, hoping to protect the kingdom from the curse. But no matter what they did, the curse continued to grow stronger. In that moment, Sophia stepped forward with a determined smile. Even though she didn't have magic like her sisters, she knew she had something just as important. She spoke to the sorcerer with words that were filled with kindness, understanding, and compassion. She reminded him of the stories she had read, tales of bravery and wisdom that had touched her heart. To everyone's surprise, the sorcerer's heart began to soften. He realized the error of his ways and decided to undo the curse. The kingdom was saved. From that day forward, Lumina celebrated Princess Sophia as their hero. They realized that magic wasn't just about spells and enchantments, it was about the kindness we show and the love we share. Princess Sophia, the ordinary princess, taught them that everyone has their own special kind of magic, even if it's not the kind that sparkles and glows. And so, Lumina lived happily ever after, cherishing the lessons of courage, compassion, and the extraordinary power of being ordinary. The end.